Hey guys, Chef Garces here. Today I'm sharing my chili de Arbol sauce, one of my absolute favorite hot sauces. I'm gonna start by toasting my chili de Arbol, whole cumin seeds, some sesame seeds here as well. Toast those up. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil, and we'll add our aromatics. White onions, 2 cloves of garlic, and some cut up Roma tomatoes. I'm gonna add a little bit of water to this and let that kind of all stew. Cider vinegar and our salt. We're gonna allow it to cool in the fridge for at least 30 minutes, let it set up. I got a little chip here, a little crema, chili de Arbol sauce. If you want to add some nice heat to any dish, chili de Arbol, guys.